Hi team, it's time for our next video. This one is to introduce our first half-court offensive play, what we're going to call one. What we're doing here is making a play so that hopefully we can get somebody open for an easy shot. Just like our inbounding plays are designed so that we can pass the ball to somebody where they can get an easy shot. Same thing here, only this is for the regular part of the game, not the inbounding. It'll start with everybody going to a certain position. We'll have two players that will be called wings. This position is called a wing. And they will line up where the free throw line intersects the three-point line. In other words, imagine a line cutting across like this, and where that intersects, we want the wings just outside of that spot, outside the three-point line. The other two players would be in a position that we would call post. Imagine a line going from the block to either side, and these players will be just outside where that line intersects with the three-point line. Now I'm going to put these black dots down to represent the defense. When we spread out like this, look what happens. Hopefully, it opens up the middle. The coaches will call out one, meaning play one, and then somebody's jersey number. I'll use number 5 here because I happen to know that that's Zeke's actual jersey number. So we would call out 1-5, 1-5. That means play number 1, and number 5 is going to be a person to set a pick. His defender will probably come with him. A pick is when you stand there and try to block a defender to get the person with the ball open. So 5 is going to run up and he's going to stand right there. And then number 1 is going to dribble across the line and run very close to number 5. Just as in our inbounding play sideline, we want him to run so close that they even brush shoulders. That will force his defender to either go around or maybe he'll have to go behind or to the side. But no matter which way he goes, it gives one a chance to get open for a layup. Now, once he's gone by number 5, the other guy is going to go to the other side. Whatever side 1 goes to, 5 is going to go to the other side, and we want you about 12 feet apart. By the way, the free throw line is 12 feet wide, so that's about how far apart you want to be. If 1 gets down here and his defender catches up, 5 might get open, and then 1 can make a bounce pass across to 5. Either way, we're trying to get somebody open for an easy basket. And by the way, it doesn't have to be Zeke, it doesn't have to be jersey number 5, I just used that as an example. I can't remember all of your jersey numbers, but if your jersey number is 42, we could yell out 142, 142. That means we're doing play number 1, and 42 is going to be the person that comes up here to set the pick. Okay? We are going to go over this in practice this week, but I wanted to post this video to give you guys a chance to start learning it before then. Thanks.